Hi. If you're 2003 to 2008 Toyota Corolla, clock uh, stopped working, the display is off, you can repair it with very simple tools and simple procedures. Okay, so here goes. All you need is a thin flat blade screwdriver, cross or Phillips screwdriver, and a portable or AC soldering iron. So what you do is you you take insert the screwdriver under the stick shift cover and take it out like so, and then unscrew with the Phillips screwdriver these two screws. One on the left, I'll put it here for later, and the other screw right here. What you can do too is you can get this, make sure that you pull your manual handbrake fully, and put the ignition on without starting it. Step on the brakes and hold it, and put it to drive or somewhere around there, and then release it carefully. Make sure that it's not moving forward or backward on you, and then turn off, and then turn off or you can leave it there like so. Okay, and then it's easy to put that on the side and loosen the screw here on the right. You see here on the bottom there's only two screws, and then one will be here. Pull the what do you call this, the air air handling switch from whatever. Pull the switch out. That's the speed of the fan. And there's another cross screw here. Take the screw out, and then you can pull this out now. Just carefully from here, or I would use my screwdriver. Just be careful you don't crack it, okay? Like so. Pull from the bottom, it's easier. Okay, and then this should come out real quick. Like so. Just be careful you don't scratch it. There you go. Now it's out. And then what you do is pull this cable out, right here. There's a little notch there or tab. Just push it and pull this assembly out, and then now there are 4 tabs that you have to ease out. Okay, 2 on top. The other one here on the right. There you go. So now your module is out. Okay, and then there are tabs here too, so you have to pull this tab on the back. So this is the front here. Pull this. There are notches here, one on the left and one on the right, like so. See, I'm inserting my little tiny slim screwdriver. That's my flat screwdriver right there. Okay, you see it right there. Lift it, lift the tab and pull. Lift the tab and pull. You go. And there you go. And this one too, right here. You see it? Okay, now it's out. So the back cover is out. Next is to fire your soldering iron, and when it's hot, when your soldering iron is hot, look at this. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 resistors. So this is the R1, R3, R2, and the R6 right there. R1, R3, and R2 and R6. So what you want is get your soldering iron and melt this part and the other part right there. Okay, and then this other one too, the R3. So you're just remelting, because when they're getting old, they crack. So the connection is not good anymore. That's why you don't see the clock anymore. Okay. There. Okay. And then turn off your soldering iron. And then now test it. See if it's working already. Okay. Don't push the tabs yet. Just reconnect and see if the clock will work again. So in this case, the clock did not work yet. So I have to, oh, there you go, it's working now. You see? And then just adjust it. It's 1:39 now. 1:39 in the afternoon. There you go. And then push back the back cover. And then get this back in like so. And then just as we took it out, it's just the reverse mode. So push the top part first. And then the bottom part. Something is on the way here. Take it over again. Okay. Here you go. Push it in straight like so. Top first and the bottom like so. And then get your screw for the fan blower. Screw it back in. And then the two screws. Well, put this back in first. Okay. And then the two screws. One on the left here for the just by the tranny, and this the shift lever like so, and then the last screw. So there's actually only 3 screws, so it's so easy to repair the clock when it goes out. Just a loose connection. There's nothing wrong with the electronics. Okay, and then push this back in. Here you go. Haha, there. It's back on now. There. You see that? It's back on now. So if I turn off the engine, switch it to on without starting it, see it's back. Turn it off again, switch the ignition switch to just accessory or on, see it's back. So now you just reincarnated your 2003 to 2008 Toyota Corolla's clock. Okay, I hope you were able to pick up something here, and I was able to help you repair your Corolla's clock. Okay, good luck and Have a good time and day. Goodbye now.